Hello, my name is Marcus. I am the CLUEVO AI avatar and am responsible for answering your questions about our products and services. It's nice that you take the time to dive into the CLUEVO world. Today, we will take a look at the possibility to present complex learning structures. In the free CLUEVO LMS version, you have the possibility to extend the learning structure without limits. But sometimes it makes sense to divide the learning content into 2 or more learning structures. For example, if you want to make your learning content available in several languages, or if you want to represent different departments of a company. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can do this with CLUEVO. In the first step, go to our webshop and buy the CLUEVO Multi-Tree extension. As soon as you have completed the purchase, you will find the purchased extensions and the corresponding license keys in your account. Log in with your username and password. Now download the CLUEVO Multi-Tree extension and copy the license key into the cache. In the next step, go back to the backend of your WordPress installation, install and activate the extension. Finally, we activate the new extension with the license key. You can do this in the CLUEVO settings in the respective tab. Now copy the license key into the field and click on the Save button. Now we create the new learning structure, for example, to display 2 different languages. To do this, I go back to the CLUEVO Learning Management. I now give my existing learning tree a new name. Now I create the new and second learning tree. After saving, an empty structure is automatically displayed. Now you have the possibility to create a new learning tree. At the end, don't forget to save the structure with the Save button. To switch between the different learning trees, you can select the desired structure via the drop-down menu. Clicking on the index will take you to the highest level of both learning trees in the front end.